I have given my introduction before, and once again, myself Janvi Munyal of class 11th, now representing Telangana through a PowerPoint presentation. Exciting and intimidating are the words which define Telangana's cuisine because of its tongue-tingling flavor and exotic ingredients. So let's talk about some cuisines of Telangana. Telangana has two types of cuisines, the Telugu cuisine and Hyderabadi cuisine. The Telugu cuisine is the part of South Indian cuisine which is characterized by their highly spicy food. Jawar and Bajra features more prominently in their cuisine due to its proximity with Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Northwest Karnataka. It shares some similarities of the Deccan Plateau cuisine. Festivals add color and vitality to our life. There are so many festivals that we celebrate in India, but some specific festivals are celebrated in Telangana. So let's talk about some of those festivals. Festivals are celebrated with much fervor, and people used to go to temples on these days and offer special prayers. Some of the festivals are Eid ul Fitr, Bakr Eid, Dashera, Shri Ram Navami, Guru Purnima, Kartik Purnima, Mukoti Ekadashi, Dipavali, Vinayak Chaviti and Gagula Purnami. Marriage ceremony. What thought we get when we talk about marriage? That a marriage is important because it binds two people in a lifetime commitment. A wedding is a crucial event for every mother, brother, father, sister, son, daughter, etc. Every Indian wedding has its own rituals, and Telugu wedding is a grand occasion. The festivities of Telangana wedding begin at least a week in advance. Historically, the groom rides an elephant to the bride's home where the wedding takes place. The Telugu Hindu wedding ceremony is the traditional wedding ceremony of the Telugu people in India. In 19th century, the ceremony could last up to 16 days. In modern times, it can last up to 2 or more days depending on the family's financial and social status. Family and wedding is considered the strongest of social bonds. It is said to spiritually merge the two souls, opening the doors to Gruhastham Shramam. There is a Telugu saying that marriage is supposed to be a family union and not an individual formality. However, the changing mindset of younger generation and due to globalization, marriage these days is being mainly focused on union of the couple only. An individual's dressing sense speaks volumes of his or her character and personality. It is rightly said that a man is known by his dress and address. Look on how people wear dresses in Telangana. Women generally wear saris, chudidars and langavoni. Most famous saris of Telangana culture and tradition include Gadwal sari, Pochampalli silk sari and Ikat sari. However, many women wear western clothes as well. Traditional dress for men folk in Telangana includes the dhoti and otherwise known as pancha. Well, as we say, without music, life would be a mistake. So how can we forget to know about the musicality of Telangana? Of the composers and singers are mentioned in the slide, please have a look. Telangana has a diverse variation of music from Carnatic music to folk music. Antrila Gopanna, popularly known as Bhakt Ramdasu or Bhadrachala Ramdasu, was a 17th Indian devotee of Ram and a composer of Carnatic music. Several people have contributed in India from ages in the various spheres of life which have been of great importance to the society. So here's the list of some famous personalities of Telangana. Komaram Bhim. Komaram Bhim is known as the brave warrior of Telangana. The Gond tribal was born on 22nd October. Komaram Bhim birthplace was Jodighat of Asifabad in Adilabad, a district of Telangana. Gonds took a small part of the population as the area which is ruled by Chandrapur. Suddala Hanmantu. Suddala Hanmantu was married to Janakamma, and his son Suddala Ashok Teja is a contemporary lyricist. He earned fame for his Telugu songs and was awarded the National Film Award for Best Lyrics in the year of 2003. He also had 2 sons and had daughter. Famous Telugu actor Uttej is his grandson and son of his daughter. The member of Central Advisory Council of Jamaat-e-Islami Hind. He was the president of Andhra Pradesh chapter of Welfare Party of India. He was a Amire Halka zonal president of Jamaat-e-Islami Hind, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha during 2007 to 2011. Chukka Ramaiah. Chukka Ramaiah, born 20 November 1925, of the Telangana Legislative Council, an Indian educationist and is famously known as IIT Ramaiah, teaching IIT Study Circle and IIT JEE Coaching Center at Nalakunta, Hyderabad. So this was the information that I have collected about Telangana. I hope you liked the information. Thank you so much.